Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Google phone guys voice assistant setting, how to on and use. Friends, you don't know what is voice assistant and how to on and how to use it in Google phone device. So friends, now let's see how to on and use voice assistant in Google phone device today friends. I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to on voice assistant and how to use it. Open guys your Google phone guys, phone setting guys. So guys, we will on guys phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it guys, where is guys voice assistant setting. So friends, you can find in guys accessibility setting. First of all, accessibility setting you will have to on it. Then guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see guys system control setting is here. So guys, click on system controls. Then guys, you can see system navigation guys, tap here. Friends, you want to use guys this gesture navigation, button navigation, so you can use from here. So friends, you can see guys this right side, this setting icon. Friends, you can see hold home for assistant. So guys, we will on from here this. And then how to use, friends, we will hold here. Friends, you can see this voice assistant, how can I help you. So like that guys, you can use guys this voice assistant guys, press home button, hello Google, how can I help. Like that guys, you can use it. So I hope friends, we have understood how to on voice assistant in Google phone device and how to use it. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Like that guys, you can use this voice assistant setting in your Google phone device guys. Friends, do you have any doubt guys, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.